Watch this app I just created. I type in what my business does. I then click one button, generate, and it writes me a ready to post caption, and it also generates the image to go with it. If we click this button here, it will turn our image into a short form video of our product with music in the background. Let's say you want a different vibe, then you can easily switch AI models here. And here's the kicker: the writing, the image, the video switching between top models like GPT and Claude, all of it is running on one single API key and about 100 lines of code. So I built this whole thing from an empty folder, and I'm going to show you exactly how, step by step, in the next 10 minutes. So if you've ever wanted to build something real with AI, but didn't know where to start, this is the video. Let's dive in. Now, before we write any code, let me just show you the problem we're solving. So because nobody warns beginners about it, now the moment you build a real AI app, you hit a wall. And it's not just a coding wall, it's also an accounts wall. Now just think about it. The text generation is one provider. The image generation is also another provider, and that's a separate account. That's a separate bill. And what about if you want to integrate video into your app? Well, that's another additional account. So before you've built anything, you're juggling 4 or 5 different logins and invoices, and if any of them goes down or deprecates a model, a chunk of your app just breaks and you're the one scrambling. So here's the smarter way, and it's what we're using today. So instead of wiring up 4 different companies, we route everything through one unified API called ImaRouter. So it's one account, one key, one bill, and behind that single key, there's over 100 models from OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, and more. They're all reachable through the same API. So let me introduce the tool before we touch any code. So this is the landing page. The idea is right here on the home page. There's one API that sits in front of basically every major AI model. Instead of signing up with OpenAI and Anthropic and Google separately, you just sign up here once and get all of them through one door. And you can also get started for free. You can make your account, and once you land on the console page, there is a getting started checklist and your balance and usage right here. And it's very nice and simple. You can see here in the model marketplace, it displays all of their different image, text, and video generation models. And to create an API key, you just go into your token management and then click on the create token here. And then you've got your ImaRouter API key. Now, once you get your API key, make sure you add it into your project, and then you can start using the API, and you will have to top up with some credits. Okay, so to create our AI application, we're going to be using Claude Code for this specific example. And as you've seen in the preview, we're going to be creating a social media posting application where we can generate both the image and captions of a social media post. And we can also switch between different models inside the application through the ImaRouter API. So the first step is to open up Claude Code, and I'll just describe what I want Claude Code to do in plain English. So I'll say, let's build a social media posting app. I want to use the ImaRouter unified API and be able to do both image generation and text caption for my social media posts. I also want to be able to switch between different models all through the ImaRouter API, and then just click enter. Okay, so it looks like it's built our application. So let's just go ahead and test it. So the caption should appear here on the right, the image here on the left, and we can also change models here. And here we'll just provide the description of our product and then click on generate, and let's just give it this. So my new energy drink brand Volt, an electric blue can, neon citrus splash. Let's click on generate. So it's generated the caption, but I think there's still some issues with the image, so I'm gonna have to fix this. Okay, so since the image generation was not working, I can just go back into the model marketplace and look for an image generation model. So if you just type in image here, let's just go with Gemini 3.1 Flash. And all we have to do is copy the model name here, and then we'll go back into Claude Code and say for the image generation, please use the following model and make it available in the app. So let's test the image generation again. Click on generate, and for the captions it does it almost instantly, and it also provides hashtags down here, and we just have to wait a few more seconds for the image. And here you can see the image that it generated, which looks very high quality. So let's just go ahead and take it a step further and see if we can generate a video from the image. And what we'll do is we'll feed the image into a video model, and let's create a 5-second video. So you can see there's a bunch of different models: Kling, Happy Horse, Sea Dance, and Minimax also. So on the left you can also filter by different providers. So we have Alibaba, Anthropic, ByteDance, and just all the top AI companies, and also by billing type and labels. And then there's also the different endpoints down here of the API. Now for our video model, let's just test the Minimax fast, and they also mention pricing here, and I want to see if it mentions the length of the video. Okay, we'll just let Claude Code figure that out. So now let's add in video generation. Use the generated image to feed into a video model on ImaRouter, and then create a short 5-second video. Let's use this model. Oops. I'm going to just copy the Minimax model name, paste it in here, and then press enter. Okay, you can see now it's created our 5-second video for us, and this just gives you an idea of what this API is capable of doing. So the text, the image, and the video, these were all done via the ImaRouter API. So you can just imagine if you want to take this a step further, then for example you can add in a social media integration and directly post this type of content to your social media. You can also try and test out different models as you've seen in the marketplace, and there's a ton of models to experiment with. And keep in mind, that's just a couple of small files and only about a few hundred lines of code. So that's the fastest I've ever gone from nothing to a working multi-model AI app because of the unified API that does all the heavy lifting. So from here, it's just your starting point. You just tweak the prompt, and it's a product description writer, an ad generator, also a video generator, and this is all in one. So if you want to build your own version of this, your own AI post studio, the link to get started to the ImaRouter is in the description below. They have over 100 models, and it's all built in one place. And again, they have text, image, and video models. And instead of burning your first weekend signing up for accounts, you can just script straight to building. So if this helped, hit the subscribe button, and I'll put out practical AI build videos like this every week. And I'll drop the link to the tool in the description below. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.